Okay, so today we are talking about doing a twill weave on a handle. So what I've done is I have a 3/4 width hoop, and I am using 3/16 dyed reed for my warp. And I can put about 3 of these on top of the hoop. You'll see that I have 4. The reason I have 4 is because one of these is going to go to the side. So I got 3 in the front, 3 in the back, and 1 on the side. Well, starting it off, one's got to be on top. So it ends up being 4 on top. But like I said, I'm going to kind of slough one over here. So whatever size hoop that you're using, you want to have an odd amount of stakes for this to work. Okay. So I've got these taped on until I can get my weave going here. Once again, we start with the tail on top and making sure our weaver's wet. And I'm going to go around about, we'll say 4 times. Remember, I've got 3 on the back and 4 on the top. And when I start doing this, one of these guys on the top has got to come to the side, and it looks to me like it's going to be this one over here. So I'm going to start that process now. And my 3rd wrap, and then my 4th. And once again, take a pair of shears and get rid of that little tail. Okay, so we're going to do 2/2 twill on this. So I'm going to come around here and then I'm going to start. See how I kind of took that 4th one and cranked it over on the side. So I'm going to go over 2 and under 2. And then I'm going to look at the back and I'm going to go over 2. I'm going to check it. That was over or under 2, so I'm going to go over 2 and under 2. So that under is going to be this one on the side here. Okay, pull it down tight. And then, as you can see, I've kind of come over by 1 stake. So, and that's what an odd amount will do. So over 2, that's under 1 here, so I got to go under 1 in the back. And you can use this with either, I use 3/16. Sometimes I use 1/4 inch flat oval just because I like the depth that I get from it. This is over 2. So then I'm going to be under 2 here. And once again, that's that guy that's coming over here to the side, so you kind of keep pulling him over there. And I'm going to do about 5 rows and then show you what I do to tighten it up. And you can see that, once again, I've stepped over by 1 here. So over 2. This looks really pretty with dyed cane. And once again, cane has a shiny outside that's kind of oval, and it has a flat side that is duller. This is over 2. Still going to pull that guy over to the side. And under 2. And you can see how this pattern is starting to show up. So, it's a stair step. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it'll repeat. So over 2, under 2, over 2, and under 2. And see how then it starts repeating on this other side then. There's 1, this is 2. So the only really thing that you need for this to work is an odd number of stakes, and it's a continuous weave. So under 2, this is over 2. So some of you have asked for me to do bracelets. That's under, it's going to be under. So this would be a bracelet design if you had something larger that you were wrapping around, basically. I don't do bracelets, but this is pretty much the same type of thing. So you can see how that's working up. It's just 2 and 2, and because you have an odd amount, it keeps stepping up or twilling. You want to be conscious that you don't twist your cane. You don't want the flat side up. At least I don't. And if you decide to, if you do want it up, like if it was dyed beside something besides black, then just keep it consistent whatever you decide to do. That's 2, and then I'm going to come under 2. Okay, so you can see what the pattern's going to look like. Hey, it's Jill. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and like our videos and subscribe. That way you're always updated on anything basket related that we have on our Jill Choate Basketry channel. You won't miss a thing. Please like us and subscribe.